Hi everyone, Ricky Chu from Chu's Packaging Supplies here. We understand that people can't keep every size box on hand to fit all the variations of their products. Buying too many boxes can get costly, and there's always a storage issue of trying to keep so many boxes in your warehouse. So a lot of customers, what they do is buy the largest box and then try to fit the smaller products into those. But now, how do you keep the smaller products from shifting around during shipping? We did a video previously about void fill and cushioning and the difference between those two. So today we're going to talk more about void fill. We'll take this box here, it's a larger box, and let's say we want to ship this remote. It's a lot smaller, fits in the box. When you go to whatever carrier you're using, it's going to get thrown around, it's going to shift around, right? So the thing is, this remote's pretty durable for the most part. It's probably not going to get damaged in shipping, but you don't want it to rattle around, because when a customer gets it, they're going to think, oh, there's something broken in this package. So we offer different void fills. The first one is simple, our packing peanuts. It's inexpensive, easy to use, and we sell biodegradable, so it's good for the environment. So you fill the box up, voila. Now it will hold your product in place. Then we have the various sizes of bubble wrap. We have our small bubble wrap, our big bubble wrap. Same concept in here. We get it in the box, wrap the product in there. Now bubble wrap provides protection too, but yeah, see, the product won't shift around in there. So bubble wrap's always a good option. Much like bubble wrap, we also have foam sheets. So foam sheets, you can line the box in there, put your product in there, wrap your product around it, wrap the foam around the product, and it'll hold your product in place. It doesn't provide as much cushioning, but right now all we're trying to do is void fill. One other option is very inexpensive is our craft paper like this. A lot of customers use this, put the product in, they have machines that crumple or they can hand crumple around it. So now your product's in there, you can't see it, it's held in place, it doesn't shake around. Pack it up, ship it off. For more information about our void fill products and our entire packaging product line, please visit our website at www.chuspkg.com.